Guys, here at this creek, just got a nice 24-inch carp. Gonna release him. He's about a 5-pounder. I'm gonna take a picture and then release him. Hey guys, I just got another carp here. This one was actually caught off a night crawler. It's a little smaller. It's 22 inches and about 3.5 pounds. So I'm gonna release him now. There it goes. There's a bite. Fish on. A nice carp, I think. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. It's actually going up the river. I almost gotta keep him away from this fence. I almost lost one earlier on that. It's like he's almost snagged on something. There's just a big fish. Oh, yeah, it's a nice one. It's a pretty big one, it looks like. That's a nice fish. It's my biggest one of the day, it looks like. Third fish. Biggest one so far. I'll try to net him. Oh, I missed the net. Now, this net's not very big. It's hard to land these carp. Yeah, this is a pretty big one. Man, my net's all tangled up. Hopefully I can get him in here. Got him. Woo! That's a big carp. Okay, gonna get him measured and weighed and released. You got a picture, that's a big one. Okay, I'm gonna release this carp. My biggest carp of the day so far, 9 pounds, 29 inches. Biggest one of the year so far, actually. That's a pretty big fish. Get him in the water. And there he goes, he swam off.